Hi. Hi, how you doing? I'm Malin. I have a local pressure washing company, and over the last few years we've done pretty well, so I just wanted to give back to the community. Oh, hi, puppy. And I was driving by and I saw that your siding could use a little bit of love, and I wanted to see if you'd let me do it for free.
For free?
Yeah, no, I don't need your number, I don't need any credit card information, just want to do a good deed.
Really?
Absolutely.
Subscribe for more.